Can a failed love story have a happy ending? Studies reveal that nearly half of people consider getting back with an ex. But here's the twist. Most don't know if it's the right decision. Is it nostalgia, second chances, or something deeper? In this video, we're breaking it all down to help you make the best choice for your heart and future. Welcome back to How To Central, the channel where we simplify life's essentials with actionable insights. Today, we're diving into a trending topic: resurrected relationships. Why do people go back to their exes? And more importantly, how can you decide if it's worth it? Grab a notebook or your favorite device to take notes because we've got some life-changing advice to share. Let's start with the relatable scenario. Meet Sarah. After 2 years apart, she started reconnecting with her ex, Ben. Sarah couldn't shake the feeling that Ben was the one who got away. As they began texting and reminiscing, unresolved issues from their breakup resurfaced. Was their love worth another chance? Or was nostalgia clouding her judgment? Sarah's story isn't unique. It's something many of us face. So how do you know if rekindling a romance is the right decision or a road to heartache? Step 1. Reflect on why the relationship ended. Start by taking a hard look at why things didn't work out before. Was it because of trust issues, constant arguments, or simply bad timing? Write a letter to your past self, explaining what went wrong. This can help you step back and view the breakup more objectively. Step 2. Assess personal growth. Have you both grown as individuals since the breakup? Look for signs of emotional maturity. Has your ex taken responsibility for past mistakes or learned new ways to handle conflict? For example, if they've started therapy or developed healthier habits, it's a positive sign. Step 3. Consider your motives. Ask yourself, am I reaching out because I'm lonely or because I truly believe we're compatible? It's easy to mistake nostalgia for love, so take a moment to reflect. A good way to do this is to pause and ask, do I miss them or just the idea of them? Step 4. Communicate openly. Once you've reflected, sit down with your ex for an honest conversation. Talk about what's changed and what both of you want moving forward. Use I statements like, I felt unheard in the past, and I'd like us to work on that if we try again. This helps you avoid assigning blame while fostering understanding. Step 5. Seek outside perspective sometimes. It's hard to see the whole picture when emotions are involved. Reach out to trusted friends or even a therapist to get an objective viewpoint. Share what you've been reflecting on and let them help you spot any red flags or blind spots you might be missing. Step 6. Revisit the good and the bad. Think about what made your relationship special and what made it challenging. Were the good times enough to outweigh the struggles? Tools like an emotion wheel can help you name and process your feelings, making it easier to approach this decision with clarity. Step 7. Test the waters slowly. Instead of jumping back into the deep end, start small. Have a casual meetup or a heartfelt phone call. See how it feels to reconnect without the pressure of defining the relationship right away. And set a timeline to reevaluate, like, let's see where we are after a month of dating. Step 8. Set new goals together. Once you're both on the same page, talk about what a successful relationship would look like this time around. Maybe it's about improving communication or spending more quality time together. Write down these shared goals to keep yourselves accountable. Step 9. Accept the outcome. Finally, remember that not every rekindled romance works out, and that's okay. If things don't go as planned, view it as a learning experience and focus on your own growth. After all, trying again takes courage, and that's something to be proud of. Now that you know the steps, let's connect the dots. Remember, reflecting on the past and testing the waters slowly are key to making informed decisions. Let's recap everything we've covered. Reflect on why the relationship ended. Assess personal growth for both parties. Examine your motives for rekindling. Communicate openly with your ex. Seek outside perspectives. Revisit the good and bad moments. Test the waters before fully committing. Set new goals together. Accept the outcome, whatever it may be. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Share your thoughts or experiences about rekindling relationships in the comments below. Your story might help someone else navigating similar feelings. And stay tuned for our next video, where we'll talk about rebuilding trust after a breakup or betrayal. You won't want to miss it.